Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mandy and I post lifestyle and cleaning motivation content. And let me just tell you, today I'm going to be bringing lots of cleaning motivation. My entire house is trash, so if you're here for that type of content, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Y'all, this is what we're dealing with today. My house is completely destroyed and there's Miss Lolly posted up living her best life while we have a complete disaster going on in the background. Just saying, like, these are real life messes. This is my house. I'm a single mom and things just get out of hand, and here we are, out of hand.
We're acting stupid, being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young.
I'm just starting out by making my bed and changing the pillowcase on my pillow to match my sheets, and then I'll be moving on to my nightstands and getting all of the trash and dirty dishes cleaned off those.
So take me on a trip, oh, flick.
And here's a prime example of my shoe addiction. I got Kata and I a pair of duck boots from Macy's. They had a huge sale and they were $15 a pair. I've been wanting some of these for a while now, but I just didn't want to pay the high price. And $15, yeah, couldn't pass it up.
I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it.
Since I've been working from home and Kata was homeschooling, my desk area has just become a catch-all for all of our mail. Her books and papers and just everything was getting put inside the cubbies, and I wanted to get those areas cleaned out and organized again.
Why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts.
This glass cleaner is the best thing that I've found to clean your TV screens and not leave streaks. I love this stuff.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. Gotta.
And now we're moving on to the living room, where I'm just going to start picking up the stuff that's laying around, and then I need to hang up and put away the laundry that's on the couch.
Why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep.
And now I'm just moving my furniture back. Kate and I like to move this chair and ottoman over in front of the TV when we play Fortnite.
Ah, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you.
You can actually see just how dusty my house is by looking at the dog kennel. It was in pretty bad shape.
All in. So give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets.
And now we're going to start in the bathroom by picking up all of the dirty clothes and then clean off those countertops. I'm just going to do a quick clean of the bathroom, and then we're going to move on to the kitchen.
Carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark.
Now we're heading into the kitchen, and I'm just going to clear everything off the counters and put that stuff away. Then we're going to move on to unload and reload the dishwasher and clean the sink.
I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue.
Today I'm just cleaning the sink with some bleach cleaner and just scrubbing it. I have mentioned before that I hate this sink, and it is absolutely the worst thing to keep clean. So I just kind of switch back and forth on what I use to clean it to see if I can find something that I really like.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say you do it night, but in the morning you just sleep.
I'm just dropping in a Plink garbage disposal cleaner and lemon scent and letting some hot water run with it.
I had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us.
Now that I've gotten the counters cleaned off, I'm just going to clean my stove. You're going to see me using my little razor blade. I got this from Walmart, and I believe it was just $1. And it's the best thing to use when I overflow things and it gets burnt onto the glass top.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say you do it night, but in the morning you just sleep. With us it's all or nothing.
Okay, we're finally finished. I want to thank you guys for sticking around for the finished product. I hope you got some great cleaning motivation and you were able to clean along with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below and let me know where you're from. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You say you do it night, but in the morning you just sleep. With us it's all or nothing.